A tribute to team spirit. A team is led by one mind, shouldered by the same in multi-bodies, moving in the same direction, guiding and supporting each other till completion. Pride and ego has no role, but the team spirit tops the role. The credit is shared among the team and the debit the lesson learnt. Marching to the clarion call of the leader, ever ready to discharge their pass as a wielder. The leader imparts the experience and expertise and gears up to hone them as a masterpiece. Hail the team that propagates oneness as an ant clan to reach success. By Mrs. Mary Rani.